Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you had a good weekend, and welcome to this new video on Solana. I wanted to make a quick update because, well, basically, I've just been covering Solana daily, right? And we haven't seen that much volatility. If you really zoom in, you'll see that Solana broke down below this support level here at 57.5. So that's just confirmation of what we already said, right? So right now, Solana ADX is around 12, so that means that it is just not trending. That is what it is, technically, all right? I'm not talking about social media or something, or whether it's trending there. I mean, the Solana ecosystem did amazing last week still, so that's probably still trending. But no, I mean, technically right now, the situation, as we've already talked about in the last videos, is just a consolidation, all right? So Solana right now is just moving sideways. There's major support. We can also look at a quick liquidity heat map to see where we have some liquidations. Then you'll see that there's actually a ton of liquidity here at $60. But in general, just on top of and below of the price, there's a lot of liquidity. Short term, it looks more likely to drop down a little bit lower. I think ultimately, it depends a little bit on Bitcoin, how far Solana will fall, but ultimately this could really be the range. So that's between 62.5 and at the bottom, like 49.5. So that's a huge range. But as long, like there's a major support at $50, $48, there's major support. So as long as Solana is actually able to hold that level as support, I would say it's even still bullish, because on the daily time frame, sure, it's also moving sideways, but we just got a huge impulse wave. So usually after such a huge impulse wave and a consolidation, price continues. But for now, like I said, there's no reason to believe any major impulse move or breakout will happen. It's more likely, like given the situation for Bitcoin, that actually looks relatively bearish. So it looks likely that Bitcoin will fall. Therefore, it also looks quite likely that Solana will fall together with that. The correlation last week was not that high, but now you can see that the correlation has bounced back up. So that's what I expect. It's just in terms of the technical situation, in terms of the fundamental situation, in terms of the correlation with Bitcoin, and also the open interest is dropping down a bit. So Solana is losing some of the momentum it still had, even though it did not have that much. It just looks most likely that Solana will fall down. At this moment, I would say it will actually fall down towards this $52 and $50 level. And I will also tell you that I expect that level to hold. Like I said, it's a major support level. And overall, I'm still bullish on Solana. I'm just not bullish on it short term. All right, so from here, I think Solana can bounce back up, get back up to $60, $62, because, you know, in the end, there's a ton of liquidity up there as well. And at some point of time, like when it gets up there again, we can start talking about breaking above 60 and 62.4, getting some sort of a continued rally. That's all possible. I would say that's even the most likely scenario in the longer term. In the short term, though, I'm a little bit bearish on Solana. And yeah, I would definitely not long right now. I mean, it's always a possibility that I'm wrong. But even then, you should wait for some sort of a bullish breakout, or the volume or the momentum to increase. Then at least you have some confirmation. Because right now, there's simply just no confirmation that Solana will be bullish in the short term. So those are my thoughts. That's my quick update. If you still do have any questions on anything I said or on Solana, let me know down in the comments. But for now, I want to thank you all for watching. I want to thank you all for listening. Have a great day. And lastly, if you're interested in my own premium group or signal group, I have both. Links to that will be down in the description. That's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.